5 habits keeping you poor. Most people stay poor their entire life, not because they don't work hard, but because of these daily habits. Habit number 1, spending money just to impress others. Rich people invest money. Poor people try to look rich. Habit number 2, never investing. If your money is sitting still, you're losing. Habit number 3, wasting hours on social media every day instead of learning valuable skills. Habit number 4, depending only on one income source. Millionaires build multiple income streams. And habit number 5, ignoring financial education. School teaches you how to work for money, but not how to make money work for you. Change your habits. Change your future. Follow Rich Mindset Vision for more money and success content.